Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here today to introduce you to the April Studio Stamps in the Mail. I've got an array of cards and gift card holders with this month's edition. Studio Stamps in the Mail is a way for you to stamp with me from home. I include the free pre-cut supplies when you place an order for the products that we're going to use. There is no monthly commitment and this is not a club, so it allows you the freedom to pick and choose which month's kits you enjoy. Let's head over to the stamp table and I'm going to show you the projects that are included with this month's kit. You'll make two of everything that you see here. This fancy fold will be all pre-cut and pre-scored for you, and of course the designer papers are included. You'll make two of this card as well, and the gift card holders that we talked about. I've got a his and a hers version. Pre-cut supplies are included, and there's a hidden message right underneath there. You'll get a PDF tutorial and a video, step by step, to show you how to make all 8 projects. You'll need some supplies, and this is part of the order for Studio Stamps in the Mail. We're going to be using the Picture Perfect Birthday. This stamp set is loaded with greetings and images to create an array of cards. You're also going to need some ink pads. These are on the list of the supplies you're going to need as well. Berry Burst and Pool Party. You'll also need Peekaboo Peach, Lemon Lime Twist, and Bermuda Bay. You'll also need the Tutti Frutti adhesive backed sequins. I've already opened my packet, that's why they're in a Ziploc bag. But there's 5 different colors here, and the glue dots are already on the back, and you're going to notice that we use those on the cards. In addition to the projects that you see here, you're also going to receive envelopes. The great part about the video is that you're going to be able to start and stop as often as you like, stamping at your own pace. And there's a bonus for this month's Studio Stamps in the Mail. You'll receive this 5-page tutorial on to make the trifold pocket card. Step-by-step instructions and pictures for you to create this at home. You're also going to need some basic stamping supplies, such as a black ink pad, a bone folder, adhesives. Those things are all listed over on my blog. If you head over there to the Online Classes tab, go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop down for Studio Stamps in the Mail, and all the details are there. But the most important thing you need to know are the ordering dates and the exclusive Studio Stamps in the Mail host code, which must be used in order to obtain your Studio Stamps in the Mail kit. You'll find that host code and the ordering dates right here on the screen. April 11th through the 14th only, and you must use that exclusive code. It's the only way I'll know that you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies tutorial and the video. This month's kit is a total of $56.50. But the best part about placing your own order using the host code is that you're able to make substitutions. So if you already have some or all of the ink pads or the stamp set, you can choose other product equaling the same amount or greater. Your order will come directly from Stampin' Up! And your kit supplies will come from me. Kit supplies for April will be mailed no later than April 21st. Most of the time, your products and your kit supplies will come right around the same time. My Studio Stamps in the Mail customers also receive an added bonus, Live with Lisa. This is a private Facebook event held in a group where I provide 2 live demonstrations, a bundle of tutorials, and product prize patrol. But if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Just let me know when I send you the confirmation for your order, and I'll be happy to email you the video recording and the tutorials for the Facebook event. In addition to that, your name is still included in the product prize drawing. Please remember the specific ordering period of April 11th through the 14th, and you have to use the exclusive host code in order to be eligible for the free pre-cut supplies, video, and PDF tutorial. I hope that you'll join us for the April Studio Stamps in the Mail, the Picture Perfect Birthday.